Hey everyone, welcome to another HowTech video tutorial. In this video we'll be showing you how to calculate GPA using Microsoft Excel. GPA stands for Grade Point Average, and it is one of the most common stats a college will use to gauge a student. If you're wondering what your GPA is, or what it might look like depending on your grades, it's very handy to make a GPA calculator. Let's create a GPA calculator in Excel. The chart on the right is a standard GPA chart. Not all curriculums are the same, so you may need to check in with your school to see what number each letter grade corresponds to. Input your course data with course names, grade points corresponding to the letter grade you received, and the credit hours for each class. Now we're going to multiply the GP, or grade points, with the credits. Click the top cell in the points column and write this formula. Equals C7 times D7 in this example. Hover the mouse over the bottom right of the cell until the cursor changes, then click and drag it down the column. Finally, we'll calculate the GPA. We'll take the sum of the points and divide it by the sum of the credits to get the GPA. Click in the total GPA cell and type this formula. Equals, open parentheses, sum of this range here, divided by the sum of this range here. And that's how to calculate your GPA in Excel. What other handy calculations would you like to learn? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.